How to check if your iPhone is carrier locked.
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to explore a common question that many iPhone users have. How do I know if my iPhone is locked to a specific carrier? Understanding whether your phone is locked or unlocked is essential when switching cell providers or traveling internationally. So let's dive right into it.
What does carrier locked mean?
Before we go into how to check the status of your iPhone, let's first clarify what it means for a phone to be carrier locked. A carrier-locked iPhone is tied to a particular network service provider, meaning it can only operate with SIM cards from that provider. An unlocked phone, on the other hand, can be used with any SIM card from any carrier. Carrier-locked phones are typically offered at discounted prices, tied to long-term contracts.
How to check if your iPhone is locked.
The easiest way to determine if your iPhone is locked or unlocked is through its settings. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Tap on About. 4. Scroll down until you find the Carrier Lock status. If you don't see Carrier Lock or it says No SIM restrictions, then your iPhone is likely unlocked. If it says SIM locked, then your iPhone is locked to a specific carrier. Please note, this method might not always be accurate, as it depends on the iOS version and carrier settings. The surefire method is to use a SIM card from another carrier.
Testing with a different SIM card.
The most reliable way to check if your iPhone is locked is to use a SIM card from a different carrier. 1. Power off your iPhone. 2. Locate the SIM card tray and use a SIM card removal tool or a small paperclip to eject it. 3. Remove your current SIM card and insert another SIM card from a different carrier. 4. Power on your iPhone and try making a call. If you're able to make a call with the new SIM card, then your iPhone is unlocked. If the call fails or you receive a message like Invalid SIM or SIM not supported, then your iPhone is likely locked to your original carrier. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video guide has helped you determine if your iPhone is carrier locked or not. Remember, understanding your phone's lock status is key when considering a carrier switch or planning an international trip. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy exploring!